Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you how you can prepare these delicious jeera rice. As you have seen, each and every grain is separated and the rice is perfectly cooked. So I am going to give some tips and tricks while cooking the rice. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this Black Friday I have got this steamer cum rice cooker. This is the brand from Oster. So just wanted to share it with you in case you are interested in, and it comes with a lid you have seen here, and this is enough for 6 peoples, and this comes with the steamer basket. You can steam momos, you can steam vegetables, whatever you want to steam it. It is big enough as you have seen here, and it made up of aluminium. And now this is the inner pot, and this is the measuring cup so that you can measure the quantity, and this is the tub, and it is also made up of aluminium, and inside it is non-stick, and it has some markings also. It has one machine. This is the main machine as you have seen here, basically the electric cooker, and one spatula also come with that. You can use this rice cooker as a steamer, and you can cook rice and steam the vegetables at the same time. You can put both the baskets and cover the lid, and it is ready to go. Now today I am going to prepare the rice using this electric rice cooker. I have already plugged in the switch. As you have seen here, the switch is on. Now here I have taken 1 cup of rice that I have already washed 2 to 3 times in the water, and I have used this cup to measure it. So I have taken 1 cup of rice using this measuring cup. First I am going to add 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee, and then I am going to push down the button. You have to press the basket so that it will stay in place. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute it for about couple of seconds, and now add washed rice. And as you are adding the rice, the basket going down because of weight, and the switch stays at its place in the on situation. Give it a quick mix. If you want to make the plain rice, skip the cumin seeds into this. Just add rice, then 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, and after that give it a quick mix. And you have seen there has some markings on the inner basket, so you have to fill the water accordingly. So 1 cup of rice you have to add the water until the marking where 1 is shown. After adding the water, mix it properly and then see the level of the water, and I will show you the closer view. There are some markings 3, 2 and 1. Hope you are able to see that. And now you have to cover the lid, and now you have to wait until the rice is done and the switch automatically turns to warm. It will take about 20 to 25 minutes, and then I will show you. After 25 minutes, as you have seen, the light turns to warm. That means the rice is properly cooked. I haven't opened it yet, and now wow, you have seen too much of steam, so you have to be careful while you have opened the lid. And you have seen each and every grain of rice is properly cooked and separated. That's what we are looking for. Hope you are able to see that. I haven't touched it yet. I will show you little closer so that you have an idea how nice the rice are cooked. You have seen I haven't touched it with my other hand or any other spoon. It's automatically perfected. Each and every grain of rice is separated, and this is how it looks like. Hope you are able to see that perfectly cooked rice. Hope you like this small video of preparing rice into the rice cooker. When you're cooking the rice into the rice cooker, make sure to use the exact measurement. And if you like this easy recipe of making jeera rice using rice cooker, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will soon upload a video how to steam the vegetables using the rice cooker. Then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.